It's sail day! That's right, we're jumping on the Carnival Glory. We're excited, we've never been on the Glory, but today we're gonna do something a little bit different. On Embarkation Day, we're gonna do a virtual scavenger hunt. So, you're gonna be looking for these 4 items right here. Now, we're gonna be playing along as well, but if you spot any of these items before we do, go ahead and put the timestamp below in the comments, and you're gonna be entered to win some fun prizes. We're looking forward to it. Let's rock.
Is this one of the items we're looking for?
No.
Aw, dang.
All right, so you saw the list. We're looking for somebody eating an ice cream cone.
Someone wearing any type of duck attire.
This doesn't count.
It doesn't, okay?
So don't get any crazy ideas. We're also looking for a group of people singing, and we're looking for the first Fun Squad member. So play along at home. We're excited.
So excited. This is something new and fun. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Let's get on the ship.
Woo! Okay. Oh
Look
my
at
God.
Melissa, she's representing. She's got the whale tail.
Right here, look at that. What?
She's got the carnival hat on. I love it. We can't go up the escalator? We can't use the escalator?
No, it's for priority boarding.
All right, apparently the escalator is only available for people that are priority. How many carnival cruises have we been on? You guys have seen the videos, but we're not priority. We are...
Wear your comfy coat.
It's all good. Not this cruise, but next cruise, we're gonna step up our status. I think we're platinum next cruise, which is in a couple weeks. We're gonna get laundry, all that kind of stuff. We did a welcome party with free drinks. Fired up. Damn, dude, this ramp is. I think I pulled a calf muscle walking up this ramp. It's like when you're at a baseball game and you're gonna walk up like 20 ramps.
You know what they're doing right now? They're getting you ready for your first drink.
I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna have to walk off those calories, right? So Melissa had her JBL speaker clip and they said no, no, no. So I guess we have to check it in and then she'll get it back at the end of the cruise. First time that's happened. I guess they're clamping down on the JBLs. Rookie mistake.
Fudge! So our adventure started last night in LAX.
Another red eye.
The best way to fly, right?
So we made it on board and we're safe. We always like to have a celebratory drink.
Yes, we do.
Just to celebrate that we're safe and we're ready to have fun. Cheers, baby.
Cheers, baby.
All right, let's take a look here at the atrium on the Carnival Glory. Oh, very patriotic. Makes sense, the Glory. Now, our last cruise, if you watched, we were on, hey!
Carnival brings fun.
Wow, so anyways, this is very similar to the Conquest. Oh, we gotta talk to the DJ. DJ Thurum, right? Thurum. This is where the party starts, right here. Oh, deck 9, all right.
That's where I'm going.
This atrium is smaller than a lot of the Carnival ships, but what makes up for it is how modern it is. They did some upgrades here recently. Look at the ceiling. It's like a disco party. I wonder if that changes to whatever they want throughout the cruise. We'll find out. The elevator goes all the way up to, it looks like deck 6 or so, 7. It's really cool. We're gonna have some live music in here. They're gonna have some cool parties, I can already tell. Probably maybe the white party will be in here, we'll find out. But the bar is kind of small, I would say. I'm surprised it's not more crowded. We just got on the ship, it's about 1:30 and I don't see a ton of people in here. But I'm liking the vibe so far. It's pretty modern.
Best Franklin's cruise for you. You can
Party
All right.
approved 9261.
All right, 9261.
Yes, sir.
9261? What do we got? What do we got going on?
My wife's birthday. She turned.
Oh, we're
Happy birthday! It's your
Turn it up.
birthday! It's your birthday!
Yeah.
Right,
Turn
right.
it up. Wait till the birthday. Hey, come on up out of there. Bird.
What's your name?
Happy birthday!
What's your name?
LeBron. Yeah.
What is it, Leroy?
LeBron.
LeBron.
LeBron without the B.
Oh, LeBron.
Yes, sir.
Oh, give me a pound, all right.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Tamara.
Tamira. Happy birthday.
Happy
I
birthday!
We're gonna hang out.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to our cabin and drop our stuff off because got my backpack and such, but we're staying in a cool room this time. We've never stayed in this type of room. It's called a scenic ocean view. We're excited to see what it looks like, but we got this one for free again.
Oh my goodness, and I hear there's a floor-to-ceiling window.
Yeah,
Oh my
I
God.
don't know.
Woo! Here's our
We're
room
gonna find
right
out.
here.
Oh, we're here. All right, let's check it out.
Let's check it out.
Oh!
What?
Say what? Oh my God! Look at that window.
This?
Look at that window.
What is this?
Oh, there's a remote control? No way. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. Oh my God.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
gonna-
what I'm talking about.
I'm gonna step back. Look at it's the whole wall, you guys, the whole cabin.
Oh my gosh, floor to ceiling window.
So, oh, we're in the very front. That is
Wow, I'm gonna have some coffee here for show.
sick. All right, that room was insane. I can't wait to stay here for the next 4 days, but it's almost time for sail away party and we have some scavenging to do.
Oh my goodness, we gotta get busy. You know what we need to find? Those 4 things. Are you gonna beat us or are we gonna beat you?
We all know who's gonna win. All right, we're gonna make our way out to the Lido deck because it is sail away time, but we need to knock out some of those. Oh no.
All right. Yes, I got it. One. I was on a scavenger hunt.
Right, so we didn't talk about what the loser are gonna have to do because you guys are playing along at home, but we're playing against each other for this scavenger hunt. So we decided the loser of the scavenger hunt has to go in the piano bar tonight and just do the running man randomly in the middle of some song. Because usually in the piano bar, no one's really dancing, they're just sitting there listening to the music. But the loser is gonna have to do the running man. It's consequence time.
All right, let's hit the sail away party. Woo! Look you guys, oh my God, yeah!
If you can believe it, I'm down 2-0. She's got me 2-0. The best I can do right now is tie. I need to find somebody that's wearing a duck shirt, hat, something with a rubber ducky on it. And we also need to find a group of people singing along to a song. So I got this, I got it. There it is, right here, right here. Right here. I got it, a scavenger hunt. Ducks. I got one. All right, it's 2-1, 2-1. So
Who's winning? Me.
it's gonna suck if we tie, but the embarkation party is pretty much over, so no one's really dancing. So I'm gonna go to the casino area because they usually have a band in that area, and there might be some people singing in there.
Yes, we need to try to win, but if I get it, I'm the champion.
She's not gonna get it. All right,
I
we're gonna
am.
separate. I'm gonna go to the casino, and she can go to, I don't know, the
I
buffet or
deserve
something.
this win, guys.
No, I do.
Now.
They don't only have Calypso on the Carnival Glory, and they don't only have disco on the Carnival Glory, they have Calypso Disco.
Yeah.
Okay, Melissa had to go to the room real quick, so I think this is my perfect opportunity. They're having some kind of event in the lobby right now. It's like a singing event. I think I'm able to find that group of people singing. And is that fair? I don't know, but she's not here. She had to go. I'm gonna see if I can find a group of people singing. I gotta tie this up.
You ready for the after?
Yes!
Give yourself a huge round of applause.
That's 2.5 people singing. Well, I got it right. I think that counts. I'll show it to her to see what she says. All right, you saw the proof. It was right there. That was a group.
Is 2.5 people a group? I mean, I'm gonna have to say no.
Oh, come on. That was a group.
2 is a couple and a half is a couple and their baby. Negative. So according to what you just showed me, I'm up 2-1.
What?
And
No, you're
yes. Anyway, the piano bar is open for another 15 minutes. You better hustle. You need that group.
How am I gonna find a group?
Running Man is on its way, guys. Tommy is gonna be showing off his skills.
Alright, that was pretty embarrassing, but thank God there was only like 4 people there. But hey, I came through. I did what I said I was gonna do. Running Man, baby.
Loser always pays his debt.
That's right.
Yeah.